Hey everyone, I am back with a new video. I am going to just jump right in for you guys and get right into it. So first we have some Gel X tips here that are square and medium length. We are just filing them down so that we can get a nice clean base for them. And yeah, here is the final result of that. And here I'm just showing you the crocodile design that we're basically going to be doing today. I don't know if I'm going to be using those colors exactly. We're going to be mixing our own color combinations, as you can see here, just so that we can get our design a little bit closer to the nail inspo pick that we have. And now that we have all of our colors, or most of our colors mixed together, we are just going to be laying down our base coat now. And this is the Gel Polish Mamita in the color, in one of their light beige colors. I've used this in a previous video and I'll have it linked below. And then I just went ahead and did a second coat of this. We are now going to be moving on to the French tip, and first we're starting off with this light sky blue color, and we're going to be first drawing the outline and then filling it in. And then I'm going to take a detailed brush and just dip it in acetone just to clean up the sides a little bit. Now, I actually will say that I believe this is where I did make a mistake. Doing 2 or 3 coats of these nail polishes for my French tip kind of ended up making me lose the shape, the sharpness of my shape in the square. So if I could go back, I probably would either use a more opaque nail polish or try and only do 1 coat so that the shape doesn't get lost. Now we're going to be taking our blooming gel from Macart and just putting that all over the French tip so we can go ahead and put the dark blue on top and make our crocodile print. And to make the crocodile print, I like to do the middle lines first and work my way out to the outer lines so that I can make a more symmetrical design. And then I just went back over the middle lines just to deepen them up and make them a bit darker. Moving on to the next nail, I didn't show you guys me doing the French tip just because I showed it in the previous or on the previous nail. So we're just going to be starting off with the blooming gel, going on the French tip, and then we will go right into the crocodile print. Taking our blooming gel again, we're going to just coat the French tip. And here realizing that I made the top middle line too big, so I had to start over. No big deal though. Me realizing I did not like it again, so I just wiped it off. And I just want to say that is one of the best things about this design here, is that adding the blooming gel and then the gel polish on top, if you mess up you can just wipe it off before curing. And also this design is so easy to do in the terms or the aspect of it can be sloppy and it is okay. That is how crocodile print looks. It's not going to look perfect. So I'd say that's one of the best aspects of this design. And now that we've finished with the design, we are just going to add a top coat and some cuticle oil to all of the nails. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching till the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!